here we are for a video that can change your life. So today I'm here to share with you some strategies that can make you earn passive income online. So if you're new to this channel, here we talk about money, cryptocurrency, finance, and most importantly, we show strategies. So don't forget to subscribe and let's start. So my first strategy is a little bit sneaky. So actually the idea is that you will go on a site like Walmart and you take the picture of a product and put it on eBay for a higher price. So like this, you will be able to earn a commission that you have set on top of the actual price on the product. What is really amazing with that method is that you can do it infinitely. Or when someone buy it on eBay and you with the money of that person, you will buy it on Walmart. So actually, this is where the strategy becomes really interesting. It's like you're earning a commission without first investing. Brings us to our second strategy, which consists of making a Shopify website. This is a little bit more difficult to do because the first thing is that you have to find a specific product that people are looking for, and you make a Shopify website about this product, and at the end of the day you will be making promotion for that website, and that way when this product sells throughout your ads, you will be making money. We were talking about making a Shopify website, right? So which means you have to find a specific product that people want and do your website on it. But the risk with the last strategy that I give is that what if the product that you choose is not the best one for your customer? That brings us to our third strategy with affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is really simple. So instead of making your own website and try to promote your product, the idea is that you promote the product of someone else. So each time this person make a sale, you also make money from that sale. So there is a lot of websites that allow you to do affiliate marketing. So the idea is that you will have to send as much as possible traffic to the website of the company. So that way you will earn as much money that possible, which is really amazing because with this method, you can end up earning a lot, especially if you have a lot of popularity. For example, on YouTube, where you can refer people to a specific product, for example, that you have reviewed on a video. If they want to buy it, and each time that they buy it through your link, you earn a commission from that. So if you want me to talk about a specific website, you can just put it on the comment section below. So since you arrived this far on this video, there is actually a strategy with Fiverr that you can use. Actually, there is a website like Fiverr, but the price range are a little bit lower. So what you can end up doing is that you put the gigs on Fiverr, the job that you can do on Fiverr, and then when someone buy it, you buy it from another website and then ended up giving the result to the person on Fiverr. So since we're talking about Fiverr, so with Fiverr, you can automate everything, which means Fiverr is one of the biggest key to a great passive income journey. So what I mean by this is that even if it is about Shopify website or a YouTube channel, what you can end up doing is that you pay people to do the strategies for you. For example, with the Shopify website, you can pay people, even professional, to do everything for you instead of doing it yourself. So at the end of the day, you ended up not doing anything and still earn good amount of passive income. So I hope that this video gives you a great idea of your next passive income strategy. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.